problem A here, I want to solve for Q. I want to either add 1/5 to both sides or clear the fractions by multiplying through by 15 on each side. And I'm going to choose to do that first. Multiplying through by 15 gives me 15Q minus 15 and 5 cancel, giving me 3, equals 2/3 times 15 is 10. Then I would add 3 to both sides. That would give me 15Q on the left. The 3's will cancel, equals 13. And therefore, after dividing by 15 on both sides, we'll have Q equals 13/15. And I guess I should write divide by 15 down on both sides. Okay, pretty straightforward equation. Problem B, we want to solve for Q, and so we are going to subtract 10. Let me do that in red. Subtract 10 off of each side. Notice that negative goes with the 3Q. The negative does not go with the 10. And that will just give us negative 3Q on the left equals positive 15 on the right. And dividing through by negative 3 on each side will give us the nice clean solution of Q is equal to negative 5. Okay, 2 more equations to go in our review, and then we'll call this video done. In solving this problem, we see numbers in front of our parentheses. This is an understood -1 that we need to distribute in on the left, and we want to distribute the 2 in on the right. We always want to get rid of these parentheses first. So this gives us 6W minus 8 minus 2W, make sure you multiply -1 times positive 2, equals 2W minus 8. Now we want to combine like terms on each side, and on the left we can combine the terms with W in them. And that will give us 4W minus 8 is equal to 2W minus 8. At this point, we usually want to get all the variables to the same side, and so subtracting 2W on each side will meet that objective, and we will have 2W minus 8 is equal to -8. Adding 8 to each side will help us to isolate the variable by itself on the left, and we will have 2W is equal to 0, and dividing each side by 2, we get W is equal to 0. Notice that is not a no solution. That's the actual value, 0, which is the solution, which can be checked if you substitute it back into the original equation. Again, let's do the distribution to get rid of the parentheses. There's some distribution on each side there. 10 times 2n is 20n. 10 times 1 is plus 10. Bring down the minus 6, equals 20n minus 20 plus 12. I'm now going to combine some constant like terms together on each side. That's going to give us 20n plus 4 equals 20n minus 8. Seeing 20 n's on each side, I want to get all the variables to one side. I'm going to choose to subtract 20n off. Most of you might have already just kind of said in your head, I already know what my answer is going to be. I get a false statement here. I get a contradiction, and therefore there is no solution to this equation. Okay, you should be expert equation solvers by now. Good luck.